Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how we can install latest Kali version, which is 2021, in a virtual machine. So for that, first we will go to Google and type in Kali download, and in the first link kali.org, here we can see we have various options to download Kali, like for mobile, for live boot, like if you want to have a bootable pen drive. For that we can use this live boot, and we can install on mobile also, but for now we are going to install on virtual machine. So click on this, and here it will ask for if you want to install for VMware or a VirtualBox. So here in our case we are going to use VMware. So click on this download, and it is about 2.7 GB. As I already downloaded it, so I will cancel this. It will download a zip file. Here I have this zip file, Kali Linux 2021 VMware version. So when you unzip this, we will get this folder. Inside this folder we have all the files. Now let's go to our VMware. Open this VMware. Here we will click on open a virtual machine. Here we can see it has already recognized this Kali Linux 2021. Click on open, and if you want to provide more RAM, you can do that also, as currently there is only 2 GB of RAM. So we will go to edit virtual machine settings, and if you want to provide more RAM, you can provide that, or hard disk, or whatever changes you would like to have, such as network. So in our case, for now it will be 2 GB only. Now we will play this virtual machine. We have advanced options also, and a normal installation process. So we will click on this Kali Linux. So here it is asking for username and password. So the default username is Kali, and the default password is also Kali. Now click on login. So now we have successfully installed our latest Kali version, and you can find various new features. There are several new tools as well. Like here you can find all the Kali tools that are pre-installed, such as for information gathering there are plenty of tools, and such as for web application analysis. So that's how you can simply install and set up Kali Linux. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.